English shorthand dictation with 80 speed start. The Ashok Gehlot pilot standoff in Rajasthan shows no signs of abating, with a new point of friction emerging as soon as an existing issue gets sorted. Full stop. And it seems that the intergenerational war in the Congress is all set to worsen, even if Gehlot access the numbers game for now. Full stop. It is not a matter of saving the government but scoring points in an ego war that will ultimately not help the party. Full stop. For even if Gehlot sails through, there will be no end to the discontent of the younger breed led by Pilot, who had staked their efforts to craft the party's return and relevance in the state as elders had failed but were denied their right to rewards. Full stop. If Pilot no doubt a prize potential for the BJP, which makes no bones about a Congress free heartland, does manage to get more MLAs to his side, he will still be a deliverer of power but not the chief minister. Full stop. He will be just a pawan and not the embodiment of the cause he represents. Full stop. No matter how flexible it becomes, the BJP can at best still keep him as a deputy that he was. Full stop. In the end, the Congress Hanji Pera would be the loser, as it would be seen as dishonoring the people's verdict with its personality clashes instead of consolidating governance and ensuring its house. Full stop. So now that Governor Kalraj Mishra has agreed to call a house session on August 14, expecting the Chief Minister to seek the trust vote, which the rebels led by his ex-deputy Chief Minister will attend, Gehlot is again upping the perception game with a measure of bluster. Full stop. Having cornered Pilot with sedition charges, saying he was colluding with the BJP to topple his government and seeking him, he was hoping the rebels led by his younger adversary would be disqualified for anti-party activities. Full stop. The courts did not allow it, so Gehlot decided to withdraw the legal case and mount a political campaign, claiming that the BJP had bought over Pilot. Full stop. While he has been screaming horse trading since the Rajya Sabha polls, which incidentally the Congress won, he has now claiming that the governor's 21-day window before the assembly session will increase horse trading and that the rails had been upper for crossing over full stop.